Hello and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we've got an unusual curry for you. It's a water-based curry and that's called Gaeng Som. So this is a spicy, sour, sweet, slightly salty curry. It's really good. And actually, it's a little bit like spaghetti bolognese. It improves as the days go on. So you can usually tell when it's really getting good is like the third or fourth day. Flavor gets more intense, the smell gets more pungent, really comes into a force of its own. Stick around.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to make hot and sour curry or Gaeng Som. Right, we're going to show you all the ingredients. This Krachai 150 gram, Shallots 150 gram, dry chilli 100 gram, and fresh prawn with the skin head on. This one about 200 gram. If you like, you can put more. Tamarind sauce. This one about 3 tablespoons. Fish sauce 3 tablespoons. Palm sugar 2 tablespoons. Shrimp paste 1 teaspoon. And these are all vegetable. But today I use the lady finger. This one 200 gram. Long bean 200 gram. Chinese leaf 100 gram. Okay, alright, and now we're going to make a paste with the mortar stone. Okay, first you put dry chili first. But the easy way, you can use the blender. Okay, then put Krachai and shallot. One teaspoon of shrimp paste. Okay. Only 4 ingredients for hot and sour curry. Okay, now we got the paste. Yeah, the paste done. Okay, now you have to use the automatic. Okay, we boil the water. Put 2 liters of water. Okay, we boil the water and then put the curry paste in there. Boil it. Melt.
But this one you don't fry first.
No, this one no need to fry. Okay, the soup has boiling. The soup boiling. Now we put the paste. Okay, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Three tablespoons of tamarind sauce. 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar or palm sugar. Okay, and you mix, stir and until this one mix well, and then you taste. If you like sour, more sour, you
looks like tomato soup, no?
Yeah, look like tomato soup. But hot tomato soup. Let me taste. Now we taste.
What are you saying?
Not enough taste.
That's what you have to do. Add more fish sauce.
Yeah, not enough taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay after we put the vegetable in there. Okay, make it boil for a while. Okay, now after we put the taste and then you taste it, right? And then we put the vegetable. We put lady finger first. Wait until we put all this one. Okay, this one getting soft already. And a little bit Chinese leaf. Yeah, when you see all vegetables soft and have cooked, then you put last is prawn. Right. Okay. Yeah. Everything off.
Here we go. Let me try this Gaeng Som. Sour, sweet, bit salty. Very good. So everyone, that's it for today. We'll see you again on Friday. So have a good week. Take care. I will see you soon. Bye.